Manchester of India, Kanpur. I am pursuing Bachelor of Science from Danta Mahavidyalaya. My hobbies are singing song, dancing, and playing outdoor games. And the area of my improvement, I want to improve my communication skills. I want to join the Air Force because it settled my life very earlier and give the equality to all sector boys and adventurous lives too. And now I'm feeling proud to speak about that is telecommunication. Telecommunication is simplify the life of the human beings. As we know that in this time, the many of the people are not going out just because of the crisis. But in this time, telecommunication give the time to the people who can work at home and find much growth in our life. And we know that the woman has not find much time to go out for the work, but telecommunication giving a chance and the opportunity to work at home and give the equality to the both work of home and work of our office. And as we know that our government also doing many of the works for our citizens like Man Ki Baat and any other programs. And as we know that as our country is growing and many of the hackers also is growing and hack the all data. As if you are saving our data, I think telecommunication is very best and it boosts our human life. If as we know that it our responsibility to improve to save our data in our computer and take all opportunities to grow up via telecommunication. And if I am saying about the telecommunication is the very best. As we know that in this time the population and the pollution also is increasing. If the human being will not go outside, I think the pollution and the population will not be stuck in a jam.
I am Balram Jidube. Today we are here to discuss about the topic. The topic is work from home. And due to COVID-19 pandemic, many companies are allowed to their employees to work from home. If I talk about its pros, travel time to go and from return will be saved, and employees got enough time for their family members. It is especially for them, those parents whose children are young. And if I talk about its cons and time, if I talk about its cons.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. As far as my introduction is concerned, my name is R.N. Sachan. I am from Ghatampur, Kanpur Nagar. We are gathered here for the group discussion. Now I come to the topic work from home. Work from home means complete work, stay at home without going outside. Many companies are working at home. Our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Damodar Das Modi, was attending many meetings at home to know the situation of pandemic COVID-19 of other states. As we know, everything has its pros and cons. The employee travel to and from the office will be saved and spend more time with his family.
Good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon to all of my dear friends. My name is Harsh. My father's name is Mr. Ramcharan Prajapati. I belong to UP at Kanpur. So we are present here for the group discussion. As we have know that today's topic is telecommunication or work from home. First of all, I would like to tell you about its pros. As we have seen that our Prime Minister Narendra Damodar Das Modi has announced 22 March 2000 whole country lockdown. At this situation, students' study has been paused. After it, telecommunication is the best way to study students. As we have seen that schools are closed, but the study is going on. And we have seen that many kinds of employees who does their work from home without going outside.
First of all, I want to thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself before you. Hello everyone, my name is Amarjit. I am from Kanpur district, Uttar Pradesh. My father name is Mr. Ramotara and he is a farmer. In my point of view, there is a way to work from home or at a at a place where our link to join a official office, and many telecommuters, basically telecommuters who is a work in telecommuting system, who is called telecommuters. Many experienced telecommuters says that this because we know every coin has two faces, some pros and cons. There are many advantages for employees, society, and as well as computer office. The employees. That's enough.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ishit Kadiyar. I hail from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. Present here for group discussion. Today's topic is telecommunication and work from home. Telecommunication came in prominence in 1970. It is second form of information technology. There are many pros and cons of it. First, we will see pros. A man do his work from home. He can save his time, a lot of time, and he can invest with their family and get their support. And he also can save his money, a lot of money. And the other hand, we saw everyone has a good speed at his home, and also lack of office equipment. He can't do such things, and sometimes children teach us. So this is the biggest problem of it, and women are facing domestic violence. So at conclusion, I will say work from home is the best for those who can do his work with laptop and computers.
Good afternoon, sir, and all of my friends. My name is Suyas Saab. I am 17 years old. I born and brought up in my village, Itmanpur, Post Dapra, district Fatehpur, Uttar Pradesh. Friends, the topic given to us today for the discussion is work from home. It is in the time of epidemic, our Prime Minister announced the lockdown due to coronavirus, and every government office and companies remain closed. So employees decided that they are completed their work at the home with the help of telecommunication technology. It has a positive consequence that it saves our money and lots of time, and it's positive influence that we are not travel, we are not use any vehicle to go outside, and it's not produce any carbons, and our atmosphere will clean and strong. But there are some negative side that we are use and spend lot of time in front of this electronic tools which affect physically, and there are some issues that any person hack our electronic tools, but it is our responsibility that we should secure our electronic tools and work in our home. Thank you.